Hello everyone. Today I'm super excited because I finally received my DōTERRA orders. The first one was a long-awaited one. It's my Christmas order that was stuck in the US for unacceptable contents. I wonder why, but after many discussions, they finally released it and it has arrived, so I will have a Christmas gift to do. Let's see what's inside the box. Oh yes, first it's not a Christmas gift, it's some deodorant for my kids with balance in it, which is a grounding blend, so it will help them to be relaxed and stop anxiety along the days, which is good. Still with balance, I have some beard oil from my husband. Oh, I cannot open it to see, pity. So that's my husband, and I got him a second one, which is with Northern Escape. It's supposed to smell good, same thing, I cannot try, so I have to trust DōTERRA. Then, next gift, yeah, the box is damaged, so I'll do separate gifts. So it's midnight forest range, so it seems like you're working in the forest. It smells like all this big tree and seems to be very good. So I have the body wash and the aftershave. So this one I'll have to figure out someone who's shaving because my husband has a beard. So we'll see. Then, yes, I got my holiday joy to diffuse in my house. So it will smell Christmassy all the time, even here in Dubai where it's not snowing or anything. So I have this festive atmosphere. And then I got me, great for me, the 4 ancient oils. So let's see, I'll pop that downstairs to have a little space. Oops, sorry. So, first one is eye soap. So it is said to be very good to remove negative energy from your space. So I bought it to cleanse my kids' bedrooms, mine. Yeah, it smells very nice. And this one, yeah, is to use with caution. So I diffuse it during the day and leave things open, so most of it will be gone when the kids come back. Cistus, it's an oil great for the skin. So it's good for what is repair, because the seeds of the plants, they need fire to germinate. So it's like a rebirth. So when your skin is in need of repair, yeah, it smells good, I like it. And then we have galbanum. So galbanum, it would be, I'm gonna diffuse that to accept myself without being perfect. So I think I need that because I always tend to try to do everything perfectly, which should not. Yeah, I like really this one. So I think I'll make myself a nice diffuser blend with it. And common myrtle, it's calming. Yeah, so I've been told that it was good in a night moisturizer, so I'll try and I'll tell you what I think of all that. So I'll put them back in the box, and now I'll show you my second box, because this time I've been shopping in Australia because there was an amazing sale, so I took benefits of what I could find there. And I got some Litsi, and Litsi, it's an oil that is not always available. It's a citrus, so it has this citrusy smell. Yeah, it smells so good. I love to diffuse it, and it's good also for cleansing and for many other stuff. And I got some for my friend Nella, who is in love with that and couldn't find any. And yeah, I treat myself. I bought some, so it's called Salubel in Australia, but in the US it's called Immortel. It's a blend of essential oil for, let's say, anti-aging, for all the wrinkles, and yeah, you just apply it like that and you look beautiful. It's made of frankincense and lavender, rose, myrrh, Immortel, lots of and many other things, lots of nice things to look pretty. But else did I got? And I got some rose. I can't wait to try this one. So this same thing, it's great for skincare. It's the top oil. I have oil everywhere. Yeah, like if I have flour in my home, it's pity I can't diffuse it. So this one is already diluted in, so you can use it as perfume or also for all skin to look pretty and everything. So yeah, I'm so happy. And last but not the least, I got the yoga kit. So to diffuse during my yoga practice in the morning. So it consists of 3 oils. There's one that is centering, one to affirm yourself, and one to connect, good for meditation. They're all good for meditation. And, yeah, I'm so excited. It's gonna smell good. Maybe that will help me to get more motivated to do exercise because I've not been good lately. But anyway, that's it. Yeah, I hope you enjoy watching this, and that gives you maybe some idea what to get for Christmas or for yourself, to treat yourself. And I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. I don't know how to end the video.